Moving doesn't have to break the bank. Believe it or not, you can cut costs in lots of ways, including saving on gas in your rental truck. First, think about the truck itself. Ask what year model you're getting. Newer trucks are usually more fuel efficient, and older trucks could be a bit more of a gas guzzler. Penske is a great option. They've got a solid reputation for keeping an updated fleet. Size is a big factor too. Bigger trucks may give you more space, but a smaller truck that fits your stuff will save you the most gas. Most rental sites offer size estimates based on home size. Stick to what you need and nothing more. Keeping the load at a minimum means being picky. As you pack, donate, sell, or throw out as much as you reasonably can. Keep everything as quick and light as possible. Speaking of weight, make sure you distribute it correctly. Put the heaviest stuff in the center of the vehicle, which in a smaller truck will mean against the wall behind the cab. Try to avoid hitting the road at peak traffic hours. Stop and go traffic is a real gas guzzler. Plus, it'll save you a lot of stress. Slow and steady wins the race, literally. Keeping your speed in check not only saves gas, but it makes handling that big truck safer. When it's time to refuel, use a map app to find the best prices on your route. Typically, rates go down the further you get from the city center. Most moving trucks take regular unleaded, so no need to splurge on premium fuel. Be sure to double check, but chances are your rental truck's just like your car in that way. You want to make sure the fuel level is about as high when you return the truck as it was when you checked it out. Otherwise, you'll likely be charged extra. It's cheaper to just get the gas. Of course, the best way to save time and money is by hiring pros who know what they're doing. HireAHelper.com connects you with experienced movers, many with their own trucks, who can pack everything like a game of Tetris and save you the most on space and stress. Learn more at the link below. For more tips, check out our next video on navigating way stations, and if this helped, give us a like and hit subscribe for more moving advice.